Hello and welcome to our series of screencasts showcasing Platformatica's capabilities in a simple, short, and meaningful way. From basic forms to advanced corporate software, everything can be created via Platformatica's low-code platform in hours instead of months. In this screencast, we will showcase the foundation of any successful business software, the dashboards. The dashboards are the heart of the business operations, the control panel that is providing accurate data in real time, informing and empowering the user to make the right decisions at the right time. Let's start our journey via the secure online access, and once inside you will discover how Platformatica is enabling the success of the business software. The dashboards are the critical pillars of each business software. You may think of them as of the instrumental panel in your car showing the speed but also providing alerts if something went wrong. Another good sample could be the heart rate monitor on a hospital device. A highly critical instrument that is delivering the key information in a clear and meaningful way. Platformatica is providing the visual elements that are used to create powerful and meaningful dashboards that work best for your business. Summary lists, data representations on a map, various types of charts and widgets. With those elements, you can provide the key information at a glance in no time and keep everyone up to date. Real-time and accurate data is your best solution against ambiguity and inefficiency. The success of the dashboard implementation is relying not only on the data availability and accuracy but also the data representation by persona. In other terms, it means showing the right information to the right receiver. A sales leader may be interested to see at a glance the number of leads, sales, demand growth, and other sales-specific metrics, while a tech leader may be interested in the amount of code completion, bugs, velocity, and so on. Platformatica is enabling the views by persona out of the box so the users can have access to the data relevant to their job function. As you see in this screencast, we are using several profiles to showcase various dashboards and data points. If you are looking for the software solution that will enable all the job functions and enjoy the benefits of the digital transformation, then you are in the right place. Platformatica's low-code approach is the answer. With our innovative approach, the business software is created and deployed in hours instead of months. A real modern win-win opportunity designed by experts of the global digital transformation. As we want to keep the demos quick and simple, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this screencast. More advanced capabilities will be covered in our next videos.